Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a whole new world on the piano. We'll start by understanding the key signature, which is D major, and the 4/4 time signature. Then, we'll tackle the foundational chords for the verse, focusing on smooth transitions. Pay close attention to the melody's rhythm and phrasing in the opening section. This initial practice will build a strong base for the entire song. Now let's bring the melody and harmony together. Your right hand will carry the beautiful tune, while your left hand provides the harmonic support. Experiment with dynamics, playing softer in some sections and louder in others, to truly capture the song's emotional depth. Don't forget to use the sustain pedal judiciously. It adds a wonderful richness and legato feel, but too much can muddy the sound. Moving on to the bridge, you'll notice some interesting chord changes that add a new dimension to the piece. Take your time to understand these progressions. There might be a few arpeggiated figures or faster runs. Practice these slowly until they feel comfortable. Remember, maintaining a steady tempo from beginning to end is crucial for a polished performance. Use a metronome if needed. To truly master a whole new world, consistent practice is key. Aim for several short, focused sessions each week rather than one long one. A great tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back can reveal areas needing more attention. Finally, don't be afraid to perform for friends or family. This builds confidence and helps you get comfortable playing under pressure. Enjoy the magic of this song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.